pala na record. How are you? You are so exotic.
Come here, you pretty one. Wait, come here.
Look at that. Oh my God. There's a baby llama. Hi. Say hi. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. You better say hi. YouTube. YouTube. Yeah, you're so pretty. What's your name? Do you have a name? Hey, you have a name? Hello. I'm talking to you. Will you talk to me too? Hello. Hello. Don't turn your back on me. Hello. But she's my husband. He's my husband. Okay.
Eating time.
Oh, kakain na. We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. Hey, you people. Oh no, you're not people. You're animals. Let's eat. It's time to eat. Time to eat and feed. Ay, ganda. Look at Imeng. Imeng, saan galing lahat yung mga yan? Tell me. Where are you? Which country did you come from?
Peru.
You're a Peruvian? Oh, ang tawag doon?
Peruvian.
Peruvian. Are you from the
Machu Picchu?
from Peru? Have you been to Machu Picchu? Because I want to go there.
I want to go there too.
Can you show me where is that? How about you? You, where are you from? What country? Hi, you have a name?
Card Lama.
Card Lama, this is so nice. You're beautiful stuff. Hey! Bless you!